Hello children, I am Shubhashish. Children, in our daily life, we often face situations where we need to find an unknown value. This can happen when we are shopping, cooking, or even sharing things with others. For example, imagine you have some chocolates and you give some to your friend, but you don't know how many you have left. To find out, you can set up an equation. An equation is like a math sentence where both sides are equal, and it helps us solve problems like this. For example, if you have 10 chocolates and give 3 to your friend, you can write the equation 10 minus 3 equals to 7. This helps us figure out how many chocolates are left. In this video, we will learn how to create and solve equations. These equations help us in many everyday situations, like figuring out how much change we should get back from a purchase or how old someone is based on other clues. By using equations, we can find the unknown values step by step. Equations are like small puzzles that help us solve problems in a simple way. Let's explore how equations work and how we can use them to make solving problems easier and clearer. With a little practice, you'll see how useful equations can be in your daily life. Learning outcomes. After the completion of this lesson, you will be able to know, understand how to set up simple equations using variables and numbers, learn how to solve equations by finding the value of the variable, understand the concept of balanced equations and how to check solutions. Keywords from this lesson are equation, variable, constant, expression, LHS, left hand side, RHS, right hand side, balance, substitution, setting up equations, and solving equations. An equation is a statement of equality between two mathematical expressions containing one or more variables. A lot of cases which involve real numbers and more complicated problems, the use of simple equations becomes very important. The following will help us in understanding how using simple equations can help in solving a problem. For example, the age of Rahul's father is 10 years older than thrice the present age of Rahul. What is Rahul's age if his father's age is 40? Solution. Firstly, a variable is assigned. Let the present age of Rahul be X years. Now, father's age is 10 years, more than thrice of Rahul's age. So we get father's age is equal to 10 plus 3x. Father's age is given as 40. Therefore, we can equate and get 10 plus 3x is equal to 40. Now this is called a simple equation. This equation can simplify problems and help us finding the age of Rahul's father by substituting Rahul's age in place of x. Equations. Using constants and variables, we form expressions, and using expressions, we get an equation. Constants have fixed value. For example, 2, 4, 100, 4 by 5, etc. The word variable means something that can vary, that is, change. A variable takes on different numerical values. Its value is not fixed. Variables are denoted usually by letters of the alphabet such as X, Y, Z, L, M, N, P, etc. From variables, we form expressions. The expressions are formed by performing operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division on the variables. An expression is a mathematical phrase with numbers, variables, and operators. For example, 2x minus 2, 2x plus 4, 4y, etc. From expressions, we get equations. An equation is a condition on a variable such that two expressions in the variable should have equal value. It is a statement of equality between two mathematical expressions containing one or more variables. For example, 2x plus 4 is equal to 10, 4y equals to 0. This is an example of an equation since it has two expressions with an equality sign. The left-hand side LHS and right-hand side RHS are equal in an equation. The value of the variable for which the equation is satisfied is called the solution of the equation. Important points related to the equation. One of the expressions must have a variable. LHS of the equation is equal to the RHS of the equation. An expression does not have equality sign, but an equation always has an equality sign. If we interchange the position of the expression from LHS to RHS or vice versa, the equation remains the same. For example, 5x plus 7 is equal to 2. 2 equals to 5x plus 7. Both the above equations are same. Let us solve one problem. Equation is x plus 3 equals to 0. Value is x equals to 3. We have to say whether the equation is satisfied or not. First, substituting the value of x equals to 3 in x plus 3, we get x plus 3 equals to 3 plus 3 equals to 6. But the right hand side is 3. Hence LHS and RHS are not equal. So the equation is not satisfied at x equals to 3. Substituting the value of x equals to 0 in x plus 3, we get x plus 3 equals to 0 plus 3 equals to 3. But the right hand side RHS is 0. Hence, LHS and RHS are not equal. So the equation is not satisfied at x equals to 0. Let's solve another problem. Check whether the value given in the brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. 7n plus 5 is equal to 19 if n is equal to 2. A value of the variable is a solution to the given equation if LHS equals to RHS when the value of variable is substituted in the equation. Substituting n equals 2 in the equation, we get LHS as 7n plus 5 is equal to 7 into 2 plus 5 is equal to 19. The value of LHS is 19 and the value of RHS is 19. Since both the sides are equal, n equals to 2 is a solution to the equation 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. Setting up equations. The rules for setting an equation are: the value that is not known or to be found is assigned a variable. Then the expressions are formed as per the conditions given in the question. Finally, the expressions are equated with values given in the question. Example: after giving 3 chocolates to my sister, I am left with 2 chocolates. What is the initial number of chocolates I had? Solution: the value that is not known or to be found is assigned a variable. Let the number of chocolates that the boy initially had is equal to 6. Then the expressions are formed as per the conditions given in the question. Number of chocolates given to the sister is equal to 3. Number of chocolates that the boy is left with is equal to 2, which is given. Number of chocolates that the boy is left with is equal to initial of number of chocolates he had minus number of chocolates given to the girl, which is x minus 3 is equal to 2. Finally, the expressions are equated with values given in the question. Number of chocolates that the boy is left with, x minus 3 is equal to 2. Therefore, the equation setup is x minus 3 is equal to 2. Let's solve another example. Write equations for the following statements. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Take Lakshmi's age to be y years. The value that is not known or to be found is assigned a variable. Let the age of Lakshmi is equal to y years. Then the expressions are formed as per the conditions given in the question. Lakshmi's father's age is equal to 49. Lakshmi's father's age is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Lakshmi's father's age is equal to 4 plus 3y. Finally, the expressions are equated with values given in the question. 4 plus 3y is equal to 49. Therefore, the equation setup is 4 plus 3y equals to 49. Balanced equation. When the LHS is equal to RHS of an equation, then it is said to be a balanced equation. First one, if we add the same number to both the sides, we can add the same number and both the sides of a balanced equation, the equation will remain the same. Example, 12 minus 8 is equal to 3 plus 1. If we add 3 to both the sides, we get 12 minus 8 plus 3. Equals to 7. 3 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 7. LHS equals to RHS. If we subtract the same number from both sides, we can subtract the same number from both the sides of a balanced equation, the equation will remain the same. Example, 12 minus 8 is equal to 3 plus 1. If we subtract 3 from both the sides, we get 12 minus 8 minus 3 equals to 1. 3 plus 1 minus 3 is equal to 1. LHS equals to RHS. If we multiply the same number to both the sides, we can multiply the same number on both the sides of a balanced equation, the equation will remain the same. Example, 12 minus 8 equals to 3 plus 1. If we multiply 3 to both the sides, (12 minus 8 into 3) equals to 36 minus 24 equals to 12. 3 plus 1 into 3 equals to 9 plus 3 equals to 12. LHS equals to RHS. If we divide the same number from both sides, we can divide the same number from both the sides of a balanced equation. The equation will remain the same. Example, 12 minus 8 equals to 3 plus 1. If we divide both the sides by 2, 12 minus 8 divided by 2 equals to 4 divided by 2 equals to 2. 3 plus 1 divided by 2 equals to 4 divided by 2 equals to 2. LHS equals to RHS. Points to remember. An equation is a math sentence that shows two expressions are equal with one or more variables. Variables represent unknown values, and we solve equations by finding the value of the variable that make both sides equal. In an equation, the left-hand side LHS and right-hand side RHS must be equal for the equation to be true. To solve an equation, we can add, subtract, multiply or divide both sides without changing the equality. Setting up equations from real-life situations helps solve problems by finding unknown values like ages or quantities. Thanks for watching.